Good evening, Nandana.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Since you have not completed the homework and you're the only person in the meeting, let's start working it now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you didn't give this, ma'am, as test.
I had posted 2 assignment papers.
Ma'am,
Yeah, this is the first one. This is the first assignment. Have you completed this?
Ma'am, but I did the second assignment, ma'am. Find 2.6.
Yeah, correct. You have completed that. Okay, you have completed that?
Yes, ma'am, I completed.
Fine, fine. Now work this then. Take down this question. We'll see the answers to that assignment also.
Okay.
You have not completed this, you said, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, take down the question. Find the least 8-digit number that is a perfect square. Find the least 8-digit number that is a perfect square. Okay, so for this you need to use a long division method. So you have to first take up the least. You'll have to take up the least 8-digit number. You should take up the least 8-digit number. All right. So the least 8-digit number is 1 followed by 7 zeros. The least 8-digit number is 1 followed by 7 zeros. Now perform the long division process. You will not get zero remainder if it is not a perfect square. If this number is not a perfect square, you will not get zero remainder. So this number is not a perfect square. So you will not get zero remainder. Now look at the quotient. We get 3162 and the successor of the quotient is 3163. Find the square of 3163. Find the square of 3163, 3163. It is 10 lakhs and 10 lakhs 4,569. 10 lakhs 4,569. That is the least 8-digit number, which is a perfect square. Write down. I think I did not read the number correctly. I did not read the number correctly. It is 1 crore. It's 1 crore 4,569. Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Yeah, it's 1 crore 4,569. Do the long division yourself, Nandana, and then check if you are right with the answer on the screen. Done, Nandana?
Yes.
Okay. Completed the answer fully?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So how do we answer this question? We need to find
Ma'am,
the
you
least
told that
8-digit number
the
that's a
least.
perfect square. Yes.
Yes, you told that the least number should be 10 and the greatest number should be 9, ma'am. So least number means 10 and we should add 7 zeros, ma'am.
1 and 7 zeros.
Yes, ma'am. 1 and 7 zeros. And
Yeah.
we should pair the numbers from backwards, ma'am.
Correct.
So we get the first number as 10.
Okay. So then we have
10
to perform the long division, right?
Yes, ma'am. We should perform the long division method.
10.
And 10 is not a perfect square, ma'am, but we should find um, which is before it, no, before
No,
number,
darling.
ma'am.
No, the long division, I don't want you to explain the long division. Fine. We have to perform the long division, and then what? After
And we
completing the
get
long division.
the answer as 3162, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I squared it and I got 9 crore 998 244, ma'am.
No,
And
you should not.
ma'am, I found the successor of that square 3163 square, ma'am.
Okay.
And I got 10 crore 4560.
You don't have to find 3162 square. You don't have to find the square of 3162. Find the square of the successor, 3163. Yeah. So the square of 3163 is the least 8-digit number. That's a perfect square. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Find the least number to be added to 8,22,700 to make it a perfect square. So whenever we have to find the least number to be added or subtracted, again, we need to make use of the long division method. If you have to find the least number to be multiplied or divided, then we use the prime factorization method. To find the least number to be added or subtracted, use the long division method. So see here, like this. At the end of the class, take pictures of today's classwork and share it with me on WhatsApp, Nandana.
Okay.
Yeah. Done, Nandana? Yeah, yeah. Please let me know once you finish, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Completed.
Very good. So to find the least number to be added, I told you should use the long division method. So take up the given number. Yeah. So take up
And
the
we
given
should,
number. Yeah,
after
tell me.
finding log division, we get no, answer 90711. We need to find the successor of 907, which is 908,
Very
and
good.
square it.
Yeah.
And we get 82, no,
8 lakhs.
8,24,464.
Very
And we
good.
should subtract um,
You should
that
find the difference
number
between this number and this number.
and yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We get 1746. That is the least number.
Number to be added. Very good. Yeah. Solve for x. So Nandana, let me ask you a question. Supposing I say x square is equal to 25. Then what is the value of x?
From square root 25.
Square root of 25. So x is
Yes,
equal to
5.
5. Similarly, if x square is equal to 3,379.0969, then how will you find the value of x?
From square root.
Square root. So the value of x, see the question is solve for x. That means find the value of x. So x is equal to the square root of 3,379.0969.
Ma'am, in this we can do long division.
Yes, yes. When nothing is mentioned, please use the long division method.
Okay.
That is less time consuming. Prime factorization method will take a longer time.
Yes.
Yeah, both are easy methods. In terms of understanding, both are easy to understand. But
Yes.
which will take less time? Long division
Long
method will take, yeah, correct. Long division method will take less time. So we'll choose the method which takes less time. Yeah. Can you do this, Nandana, and share your answer? Let me, yeah.
Yes.
You please start like this. You must write x square is equal to this given number. X is equal to square root of. Yeah, and then perform the long division below this. Done?
One minute now.
Yeah. I'll help you, Nandana.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah. That's what. Even I thought you're stuck somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Nandana, yes.
Ma'am, after finding the first thing, we got 108, no, ma'am.
Okay.
I mean, 5 into 2, 10.
Okay.
And we got 879, no, ma'am.
Okay, let me unshare my screen and see what you're saying. Just a second. Yes, read out your steps, Nandana.
Ma'am, first I pair into 2 to backwards, ma'am.
Yeah,
33, I did 5 into 5, 25, ma'am.
correct.
And 33 into 25 minus, we get 8, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
And I took the next pair 79, which makes 879, ma'am.
Correct.
And I multiplied the top one 2 into 5, 10, ma'am.
Perfect.
After that, we get a number, ma'am. So I did 108 into 8, so we
Perfect.
get 864, ma'am.
Perfect.
And we get 15 as answer, ma'am.
Correct.
And I did a point on the top, ma'am, for
Yeah, correct.
answer. And I brought 09, ma'am, which makes 1509, ma'am.
Correct.
But if I multiplied 58 into 2, I got 116, ma'am.
116. 116, huh?
Yes, ma'am, 116.
Okay, correct.
After that only I confused because 1509 is smaller than 1.
Smaller than what?
116, no, ma'am. 116.
You have not still added
So
any
after
digit.
that, no, ma'am, I added 1, ma'am.
1, na?
1161. I did 1.
64, huh?
No, ma'am, 1. 116, no, ma'am.
Okay.
I added 1 in
Okay.
the divisor and quotient 1, ma'am.
Correct.
But
When you
after
multiply
that,
1161 by 1, what do you get?
I got 1161, ma'am.
Correct. Yeah, you're right. No?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I did the wrong number.
You're right. So far, you're correct.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please continue. Yeah. Once you complete, I'll share my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we get 58.1 no, ma'am.
When
Do
you
we need
subtract,
to
when you
Ma'am,
subtract,
I get 34,869.
yeah, 34,869. Perfect. Then
Ma'am, but 58.1 into 2, we need to do like decimal.
we need, no, ignore the decimal point. 581.
Okay.
58.1 is 581 into 2. I'm sorry, yeah,
Okay.
double the quotient. 581 into 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, got the answer.
Very good.
Ma'am, 58.13.
58.13. Perfect. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the value of x is 58.13.
Yes.
Very good. Yes. This is the next question. Is 1,04,125 a perfect square? Justify.
We should do the prime factorization.
Yeah, you should. Yes, actually, yes.
Okay.
Because only then you can give the reason. Very
Yes.
good. Do it. Yes. Done? Nandana?
And 1 minute now.
Yes, Nandana, it's quite some time. You should have finished by now. Are you there, Nandana?
One sound, ma'am.
Yeah. Read the,
Ma'am,
yeah.
the answer is 2970.
No, how do you express 1,04,125? Read out the,
Ma'am,
read out the, prime factors. Yeah.
yes, ma'am. We divided by 5, ma'am. So we get 20825.
No, how many twos, how many threes?
Ma'am, 2 5, ma'am.
Uh,
I mean 5 human, 1
no.
5, and 7 twos, and 117 one.
Okay, is it a perfect square or not?
Ma'am, I think it is a
It
perfect
is.
square.
It is a perfect square, is it?
Yes, ma'am. It is a perfect
Okay,
square.
let's see. Yeah, let's see. Is this what you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now you can see that the factor prime, the prime factor 5 and the prime factor 17 does not
Ma'am,
occur in
I
pairs.
multiply. Yes, ma'am. I added 1 5 and 117, ma'am.
No, that
For
is
that, we need to multiply 55 and
no. That
17.
will be the answer to the question. What is the least number to be multiplied to make this number a perfect square? If the question is what is the least number to be multiplied so that this becomes a perfect square,
Okay, ma'am.
then you should multiply 1 5 and 117.
Okay, ma'am.
But here the question is this number a perfect square? Is the given number a perfect square? So the given number is not a perfect square because the prime factors 5 and 17
Yes.
do not occur
Are
in
not
pairs.
paired.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. If the question is what is the least number to be multiplied, then you should say you should multiply this number by 5 and 17 or 85. 5 7s are 85. Okay. So this is the justification or the reasoning. Since this number cannot be expressed as a product of pairs of equal factors, it is not a perfect square. All right. Please write that.
Okay.
Done, Nandana? Let's go to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Find the square root of this number 0.354025 by the prime factorization method. By the prime factorization method. I'll show you the answer slide. You can just take help from the slide and complete it.
Yes.
Is that fine, Nandana?
1 minute, ma'am. Shall I take a screenshot?
No, please do it now. Don't take a screenshot.
Okay, ma'am.
I told you, complete it now. Then take pictures of your classwork and share it with me on WhatsApp after the class. You got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. At the end of the class, I want you to take pictures of today's classwork, whatever you've written today, and share the pictures with me.
I'm completed.
Yeah. So first, what we have to do is we need to shift the decimal point. We need to express the given number as a fraction. shift the decimal point and express the given number as a fraction. So this is what you get. This is what you get. That's the first step. And then you will have to find the square root of the numerator and the square root of the denominator separately. You must find the square root of the numerator and the denominator separately. So here is the working for the square root of the numerator. Find the prime factorization of the number, of this number. And again for the denominator, this is the denominator, prime factorization. Now, take up this one and say is equal to square root of 5 square into 7 square into 17 square. That's the prime factorization of the numerator. And the denominator is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now put back that, the decimal number given. Put this back. So that's what you see in the next step. Put this number back.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me just finish this. So here, to get rid of the square root symbol, from 2 5s, 1 5 out. From 2 7s, 1 7 out. And from 2 17s, 1 17 out. And here there are 6 2s. 2 to the power 6 meaning 2 multiplied with itself 6 times. 6 2s. So 3 2s will come out. That is 2 to the power 3. There are 6 5s. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 6 5s. So 3 5s will come out of the square root. Now multiply the numerator, you get 595. Multiply the denominator, you will get 1000. You will get 1000. And 595 by 1000 can be expressed as 0.595. So you need to express the square root as a decimal or in the decimal form because the given number is a decimal number. So you need to express its square root also in the decimal form. Yes, Nandana, now you can ask me.
Ma'am, for the prime factorization from 10 lakh, ma'am, you did as 2 power 6 into 5 power 6, ma'am.
Correct.
Why didn't you express that 2 power 2 into 2 power 2 like that? Because we can write as whole power 2 of square root 2 and square root.
Yes. Please do that. Yes, you can write that also. Because we have 6 2s, I wrote it as 2 to the power 6. Instead of writing 2, you can also write 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. Then into 5 square into 5 square into 5 square. You can write that also. Yes.
Okay.
Done with this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So with this, we come to the end of this assignment. You said you have completed this, right, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but I can't understand the first question.
First question, is it?
Yes.
Okay. So we need to find the square root of, 1 second. Yeah. So we need to find the square root of 2.6. Correct to 2 decimal places. That means we need to have 3 pairs after the decimal point. we need to have 3 pairs after the decimal point. So 6 0 makes 1 pair, 0 0 second pair, 0 0 third pair. Is this understood? Two stands alone. 2 stands alone. Because after the decimal point, we group in this direction.
Yes.
So 2 stands alone. So the number is 2.6, 2.6. We need to find the square root of this number correct to 2 decimal places. That means after the decimal point, you need to have 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3. You can add only zeros. You cannot add any other digit. You cannot add 6. You cannot make a 2.666666. No, you can add only zeros. You cannot add any other digit. Now perform the regular division process. You have not worked this, Nandana?
Ma'am?
You have not worked this one?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, please work it now.
Okay.
You know the long division procedure, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So please complete it and let me know.
Ma'am, found the answer. Ma'am,
Yes, Nandana?
ma'am, I got 1.611.
1 point.
611.
It's 1.612. You said 611, right?
Ma'am, you did a mistake, ma'am.
Oh, really?
Ma'am,
I didn't
yes, ma'am.
place the decimal point.
321.
1 minute. I didn't place a decimal point. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am, you didn't put a decimal point.
Have I gone wrong somewhere, Nandana?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
The decimal point. Ma'am, I did a mistake, ma'am.
Okay, please correct it.
Ma'am, I did 322. I added 1 and 1, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Last if you
So,
found. Okay, okay.
yes.
No problem. Do this. Correct it now.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Corrected, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. Have you completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What's the answer for the first one? What is the side of the playground in meters?
100.
100 meters. Very good. The cost of fencing?
6,000 rupees.
6,000. Okay. And the cost of leveling?
240 meters square.
240. 240, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, let us see. You're
Ma'am,
right.
I
100
think
is,
I got the wrong that last one.
yeah, your
Yes.
cost in, yeah. Check your steps. Any doubt you can ask me. I'll just come back, Nandana, just 1 minute. Yeah, thank you, Nandana. Any questions, ma?
No, ma'am.
You understand how to find the area to be, I'm sorry, the cost of leveling?
Yes, ma'am. I can't understand the routine. Now I understand.
Okay, to find the so leveling is done in the area part of the field.
Yes.
So to find it, please disable your mic, Nandana. Yeah. So to find the cost of fencing, you have to find the perimeter. To find the cost of fencing, because fencing is done along the perimeter of the field or the playground here. Okay. So fencing is done along the perimeter, along the boundary. So we need to find the length of the fence, you have to find the perimeter of the square playground. So once you find the perimeter will be the length of the fence, and cost of fencing will be whatever is the length of the fence, that is the perimeter, into the rate. To find the cost of leveling, you'll have to find the area. Area is given directly. You don't have to find area is 10,000 meters squared. So whatever is the area into rate. Into rate. Okay. Is 1,75,616 a perfect cube? Give reasons.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 56, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's not a perfect square cube, ma'am.
It's not a perfect square.
Ma'am, it is.
Yeah, please correct your answer. See the steps
Yes,
here.
ma'am. It is a perfect. I thought that 56 is not a perfect cube, so that it would not be a perfect square.
1 second, Nandana. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, Nandana. Nandana, have you you must have learned cubes and cube roots in school also, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. It is a perfect square, ma'am.
Then why?
Ma'am, because I got the answer as 56, ma'am. Since 56 is not a perfect cube, I thought that it would not be a perfect cube.
Okay. Actually, you don't have to find the cube root.
Okay.
You don't have to find the cube root. You see, the question is not to find the cube root of this number. Disable your mic, Nandana. Yeah, the question is not to find the a cube root of this number. The question is this a perfect cube? So you don't have to find its cube root. Is it a perfect cube? So do the prime factorization procedure and see if the factors, the prime factors can be expressed in triples, in threes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can see 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, 7 cube.
7.
Yeah. So since this number can be expressed with a product of triples of equal factors, it is a perfect cube. If you have found the cube root, take away that step. If you have written cube root of 175,616 is equal to 56, take that away. You should not find the cube root. It's not asked.
Okay.
You need not find the cube root. You should just show this step. You must only show this step and then give the reason.
Okay.
Yeah. Please do the changes, necessary changes.
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Have you completed
this,
4A
yes, yes,
and B?
36. Yes, ma'am, I did B also.
Okay. 4A, I'm sure you would have done it correctly. What about 4B?
4B, the triples are 8, 65, and 63.
Louder, Nandana.
Ma'am, 8, 65, 63.
Okay, let's see. Check your answer for this one.
Yes, ma'am, correct. Exactly.
You have the same steps?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. No, but I think you said 8. It's not 8. It is 16, 63, and 65. I think you said 8.
We should not write 8 now. I got
No,
this 2 into 8 is equal to 16. We should not write 8 now.
because M is 8. M is
Okay.
8. You must write the value of 2M. 2M, M squared minus 1, M squared plus 1.
Then
Yeah. Is this clear?
yes, ma'am. For this I made the mixed fraction into improper fraction.
Correct.
So I get 5,832.
Okay.
So I did prime factorization and I got 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. So I got 18.
Yeah, correct. And for the denominator, did you get 13 into 13 into 13?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So as you said, we need to first express the given number as an improper fraction. Improper fraction. So 2197 into 2 plus 1438 divided by 2197. Converting mixed fraction to an improper fraction. 2197 into 2 plus 1438. That will be the numerator divided by 2197. Then you can see the working here for 5832 and 2197. You can see the working here. So after this step, you have to perform the prime factorization. You cannot write this step. You cannot write this step. After this one, you will have to perform the prime factorization procedure. Then once you complete this and this, once you complete this, then you have to continue is equal to cube root of numerator is 2 cubed into 3 cubed into 3 cubed. See here, 2 cubed into 3 cubed into 3 cubed. And the denominator is 13 cubed. 13 cubed. So this number is 2 cubed into 3 cubed into 3 cubed, and the denominator is 13 cubed. So how will you bring the numbers out of the cube root? From 3 2s, 1 2 out. From 3 3s, 1 3 out. From 3 3s, 1 3 out. And from 3 13s, 1 13 out. Then 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 by 13. and write that as a mixed fraction. 18 by 13 is an improper fraction. Write that as a mixed fraction, 1 5 by 13. So that is the cube root of the given number. So cube root of 21438 by 2197 is equal to 1 5 by 13. Okay, I think that's the end of the questions. Yes. So we have discussed the answers to the assignments I had posted. Yes, Nandana? Are you there, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I've already shared the videos on cubes and cube roots. You'll have to watch them and complete this assignment. And I think I have take a screenshot, Nandana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Watch the videos. I've shared the videos on cubes and cube roots earlier. Watch the videos and complete this assignment. Took a picture?
Can you show me the before first slide, ma'am?
Yeah. Yeah. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished, Nandana?
And next slide I can't see, ma'am. Only 3 cube 2 1 4 1 4 3 8 only I can see, ma'am.
No, I don't understand. Come again?
Ma'am, you are in the second slide, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Next.
No, this is not the first slide. This is the first slide.
Yes, ma'am. I took a screenshot.
Yeah, this is the second one.
This is also.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Take a picture.
Done, ma'am.
Done, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nandana, you may we have 10 more minutes. Yeah, just work the fifth one. Work 5A, Nandana, 5A and B.
Okay.
Yeah. What's the question, Nandana? Cube root of?
Cube root of 750
divided by cube root of?
divided by cube root of 384.
So this is nothing but cube root of 750 divided by cube root of 384. Now you can write both the numbers under the same cube root, 750 divided by 384. Now simplify and tell me what you get. Simplify 750 by 384 and tell me what you get.
And you mean simplify both?
Yeah, cancel 750 and 384 using the same tables.
Okay. Got
Yeah.
From 175 by 192.
175 by?
192.
No, it can't be 175 by 192. Somewhere you're wrong.
And I divide both by 2 now.
By 2, is it? Okay, when you divide 750 by 2, what do you get? 750 by 2.
175.
3s are 6, 1 is a remainder, 7s are 14, or 375 by this one by 2, you will get 192. Now you can further divide by 3. You can divide the numerator and denominator by 3.
How could be 375? Oh, 6. Okay.
Yes. Simplify and let me know.
125 by 64.
Okay. Again, by 3, when you do, you get 125 by 64. Correct.
Yes.
Can you simplify it further?
No, no.
No. Now, what is the cube root of the numerator? Can you write 125 as 5 cubed? 5 into 5 into 5?
Yes, 5 cube.
And 64 as 4 cubed. Correct?
4 cube. Yes.
4 cubed.
Yes.
So then what's the final answer? How do you get rid of the cube root symbol? From 3 5s, 1 5 will come out.
Yes. From the 3 fours, 1 4 come.
Yeah, so it is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 as a mixed fraction, 1 by 4.
Right.
All right?
Yes.
Yeah. So 750 by 384, when you simplify, in the tables of 2, 2 3s are, 1 is a remainder, 7s are 14, 1 is a remainder, 5. And again by 2 here, 1, 9, 2. Then by 3, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12. And 125 by 64 cannot be simplified further. So we get 125 by 64. Now 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. You can do the prime factorization. If suddenly you have a doubt, you can do this. 525 times 5 5s are 5 1s are. So 5 cubed. And 64, 2, how many times? 32. 2, 16 times. 2, 8 times, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So you can even write it as 2 cubed into 2 cubed. 2 cubed into 2 cubed. Okay, let me write that. With the same answer. So let me write that. Okay, so that is equal to cube root of, in the numerator, 5 cubed. And denominator 2 cubed into 2 cubed. So that will be 1 5 out, 1 2 out, another 2 out. So it is 5 by 4 or 1 by 4. Please ask me any questions?
No.
Okay. The other one, 5b. Try 5b.
Yes, ma'am.
You said something, Nandana?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what's your answer?
No, 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 ma'am.
Okay, I think I'll help you with this. Need help, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, yeah. Read out the question for me.
Cube
Cube root of
8 into 17.
17, no? Okay. Into 8 to the
17.
power 6, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is 8? Can you write it as 2 into 2 into 2? Or 2
Yes,
cubed?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
8 is 2 cubed, right?
Yes, ma'am. And 17 into 17 into cube, and that is 17 cube.
Very good.
And A6.
8 to the power 6. Okay. Now, if you want to get rid of the cube root symbol, how many 2's you have?
1, 2, 1. 3, 2.
Yeah,
We should write 1, 2.
Yeah, correct.
And 3 17s, we should write 117.
Correct. Yeah. And how many A's?
6 A's.
6
So we
A's.
should write A3.
Oh, see here, from 3 A's, 1 A will come out. From the other 3 A's, 1 A comes out.
A2.
A square, correct?
Yes, A square.
A square, yeah, because see here, A to the power 6 means A multiplied with itself 6 times like this. So from 3 A's, 1 A comes out. And from the other 3 A's, another A comes out. So 2 A's come out of the cube root, which means A square. A into A square. So the final answer is 2 17s are 34 into A square, or simply 34 A square. 34 A square. Understand, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please write down the answer. Now, once you leave the meeting, immediately take pictures of today's classwork and share it with me, Nandana. Don't forget.
Okay. Completed.
Yeah. All right, Nandana. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night.